Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. This is Eddie Vision TV, and I'm your host, Eddie Gona, and this is the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, we'll be looking at Renaldo Cephas. He plays for FC Skopje in the Macedonian First Football League over there in Europe. Let's take a look at his profile. Renaldo Cephas, born December 8, 1999. He's 23 years old. Jamaican, as you know. Height 1.79 meters. And he plays as a left winger. His current value is 300,000 euros. Now he's doing pretty well at his club. His club sits currently second in the league with 58 points behind Sturga with 68 points. So doing well in the league, and he's hoping again to qualify for the Champions League qualifying stages. But Cephas has been getting a lot of attention over there in Europe. Clubs from big leagues across Europe, have been looking at him. He's still on a contract, but the future looks bright for Cephas. He's flying under the radar. Not a lot of persons talking about him, but I have to talk about him. Jamaican abroad, in a foreign land, doing well. Mind you, he's not the best of leagues, but he has been performing, and he has settled in well, and he's doing a good job. Not everybody go to Europe and hit the ground running right away, no matter the league they're in. Now let's take a look at his stats. He played 29 games in the league, scoring 11 goals and registering 6 assists. Picked up 3 yellow cards along the way. His goal participation as a percentage was 27%. In terms of minutes, 73%. And being in the starting 11, 73% as well. So he's a staple in this team. Somebody that is important. Chris Martin's a very, very, very important. Yes, he's in the team. They look to him. He's delivering, scoring goals, getting assists in the league. As a new person in the league, is also fantastic. But is Cephas ready to get that first call up for the Reggae Boyz? Is he anywhere near getting his debut? We'll just have to wait and see. We all want our Jamaican born players to do well. There's a big push to get them abroad from the JPL. He did that, moving from the JPL and going into Europe. But at times we tend to forget about these players. After they move from the JPL to Europe or anywhere else, it's like the job is done. Who next to move from the JPL? I think that's the mindset. We tend to forget about these players. Or once they go to Europe or anywhere else, that's it. Our job is done. We don't tend to look back at them. And some of these players are actually doing well, and I think they deserve, a look in as it relates to the pool. Maybe not a starter, well, definitely not a starter. But young Cephas, I think, deserves a look in, A look in to kind of say, hey, we're seeing you continue doing the work. Maybe you're not there as yet, but, this is just a call up for you to see what things could be like in the future if you continue to grow, continue to develop. Now, how is he doing in other competitions? So Said before, the league 29 appearances, 11 goals, 6 assists. As it relates to the Champions League qualification, he made 4 appearances, scoring 1 goal. Europa League qualifying, played 1 game, not registering a goal or an assist. UECL qualifiers, 2 appearances. So overall in all competitions played in the 22-23 season, Renaldo Cephas, 36 appearances, 12 goals, 6 assists. And as I said before, what he is doing in the Macedonian League for Skopje is being seen across the world. So look out for it. Cephas will be on the move. If not this summer, maybe next. He will be going places. So big up Cephas. Continue doing the good work. And I want the best for you. Now, Reggae Boy fans, do you think it's time for Cephas to get his first call up to the national team? Is he ready? Does he deserve that first call up? Drop those comments in the comment section below. Really want to hear what you guys are saying. Thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Guna. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.
Yes, Gregory Simmons here on live with Eddie Vision. Please like, share the video. It's a great show. Happy to be a part of it.